Today on Backyard Zombie, we got a box. I just want to explain to you guys, this is actually my birthday present from my dad. He paid for what is in this box for me. It was he said, whatever you want for your birthday, pick it out. And I contacted Sculpt or Die, and all of his stuff is going to be down below, and we're going to get to that when I review the product. But right now, I'm going to open the box for you guys. I'm so excited to get into this box. You have no idea how... I'm just so excited. So I'm going to open this box up, and you're going to see my first initial reactions. I really wish I had a table here so I could pop it down, but I'm going to hold it, so it's all good. I'm going to be very careful to not rip into the box too deep, because I don't know how deep this is deep down. Again, this is my little birthday present from my dad, made by Sculpt or Die. And we're going to get into all the details about this product once I get it open. I should have pre-cut this. I have not seen what's in this box. I just want to make sure I told you guys that. I've only seen pictures of the product. And I'm just so excited. All right. I see a bunch of packing material. So I'll show you guys first all the packing material. So, oh, there it is. I'm going to try to get it out so you guys see it first. I'm not looking at it. Oh, I'm looking at it. Oh my god. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. My Evil Ash helmet replica by Sculpt or Die. And oh my god. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. Look at that bad boy. Alright, I'm gonna look at this. I'm gonna give it I'm gonna explore it, as they say, and then I'm going to give you my thoughts in the next clip, so stay tuned. If you couldn't tell already, I am so excited to have this helmet finally after years and years and years being an Army of Darkness fan. This helmet is just, it's one of those props I knew I'd never be able to make myself with just the skills I have, but I was like, I'm going to have one of these helmets one day. I actually reached out to my fellow members of the KOS Facebook group. It's a Facebook group dedicated to Evil Dead prop makers and Evil Dead fans, and I will include the link down in the description, because if you are a fan of Evil Dead stuff, join the Knights of Sumeria. Tons of cool guys. Al, Brett's Groovy, Paris. They're all great guys, and they have amazing props and replicas of books, chainsaws, power gloves, Pablo's necklace. A couple of months back, probably like mid-October, November, I reached out to my fellow brothers of the Knights of Sumeria, and I said, hey guys, how can I get an Evil Ash helmet? And somebody said Sculpt or Die makes a helmet. So I contacted Sculpt or Die, and he was like, yeah, I can make you one of those helmets. And boom, that's how this baby has arrived. And I'm just so excited to finally have this in my hand. It's just, the detail is absolutely immaculate. It's so heavy for a piece of, like, I think this is like latex. It's either latex or some kind of rubber, and it's just it's very heavy. I've temporarily duct taped this rope into the helmet. It's actually keeping its form when it's on someone's head. And I think, as is, I'm probably going to do some repaint, some retouches, make this look more like bone. I'm probably going to plasti dip all this inside so it stays black. I'm going to do some really cool... probably some steel shading on this. I'm going to look at references, but I really want this helmet to look really cool, because eventually down the line, I'm going to make an Evil Ash cosplay. I want to be Evil Ash so bad. I want to do all the armor pieces. So this is just the starting point, and I'm so excited for it. It's just, can I put it on with my hat? Yeah, I'm excited. I'm very excited. So I've placed the helmet on this temporary decapitated head, just so you can see it on as I'm holding it. This was sculpted by Sculpt or Die, as I've said probably like 4 or 5 times in this video, but his name is Brandon Scott Murphy, and Brandon actually started sculpting in 2006. He attended the Tom Savini School of Makeup, and he's been working full-time doing this kind of stuff since 2012. I asked Brandon if he had any some behind the scenes of his Evil Ash bust and his helmet, which I'm going to include right here. And he said it was the second thing he ever sculpted and that he made. So, and he's a huge fan of the character, so I knew I was in very good hands. He's not currently taking commissions, but Brandon is really good at answering messages. So if you are looking for something like this, maybe reach out to him. He is phenomenal at his customer service. He was always updating me when I was asking about the helmet, and he sent me some really cool pictures of when the helmet was on its way. And I am nothing but satisfied with my purchase. I'm so excited with this helmet, and I just holding it, it's so surreal. And especially on this head, because it kind of looks like Evil Ash with this piece. So it's fun. Also, because I just like going all big, I'm going to do an exclusive merch drop of my logo wearing the Evil Ash helmet, because why not? I asked Vince if he could do this for me, and he whipped it out real quick, so I'm dropping an exclusive merch drop. This is going to be on the Teespring forever, probably, because it's super cool. I think I'm going to do a t-shirt and a sticker. I don't know yet. If you're watching this video and it's not on the Teespring, just give it a couple of days. It'll be on the Teespring very soon. So keep an eye out for that, and thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for enjoying watching me nerd out for like the 8th billionth time, and I will see you guys in the next video, and yeah. I live again.